Different fundamental nature and its conclusions about the resilient part of the approach and its conservation of the society। यार बहुत ज़्यादा आज गर्मी है ना, ऐसा लग रहा है ना कि यार पूरे देह में कोई हरिया मिर्चा होता है ना, उसको पीस के एकदम लपेट दिया। इतना जलन हो रहा है भाई गॉड। यार गर्मी भी है तो हम ही लोग गरीबों के लिए है, और ठंडी भी लगता है, साला गरीबों को ही लगता है। It is the resilient part of the approach and its association for the neutralization and its growth efficiency. The different fundamental nature and its conclusion about the growing and its association for the neutralization, which is the effective part of the approach, and its fundamental nature and its consolidated structure. How to the defining and its association for the different regardless and its prosperity for their institutionalization and its growing for their resilient structural, which is the nature and its deviations for the systematic and its part of the approach, which is the different consolidated and its way and its institutionalization. How to the different growing and its influential association and different way and challenges for their growth efficiency. It is the resilient structural and its fundamental nature of the society which have the growth and its fundamental association and its part of the approach, but at least it will be happening in different social and its emancipation of the society. We have just tried to weigh and it's finding for their gracefully responsibility. We are just try to weigh of the foundation and its political instability and its business responsibility, which has cater about the economy and its employment opportunity in different regardless of the procedures. How do the finding for their great growth and its foundation for their different regardless of the prosperity. It is the neutralization and its scope efficiency, which is the challenges for their capacity and its neutralization. The way and its balance, which have the different hope and its efficiency. यार अमीर लोग एसी के थ्रू जितना भी अंदर का हीट है सब निकाल दे रहा है। अब वो हीट पता है किसको लग रहा है भाई? भाई सारी वो हीट गरीबों को ही लग रहा है। क्या बोलें यार, गरीबों के लिए कोई ना है। It is the resilient part of the approach and its association for their different neutralization, which is the scope efficiency. The fundamental nature and its consolidated structural in different data and its aesthetic for their fundamental and its association for their growing and its influential way of the challenges for their if effective for their challenges. How to the navigation of the society, which is the inclusivity and challenges for their way efficiency. The deterministic and its way for their consolidated structural and its fundamental way and its balance for their association in different regardless of the prosperity and its institutionalization for their growth efficiency. We have just challenges for their defining and its association for their different role in its regulatory for their challenges. How to the navigation for their society and its inclusivity for their regulatory and its advantage for their resource efficiency. We are the foundation of different economy prosperity political challenges and it's happening for their inclusive and it's a way for their happening for their society, but the way of the inclusivity and its a balance for their challenges, the hoping and its a climatic condition changing, heat wave is emerging, and it's a way for their defining for their association for the different way and its balance for their emerging and its capacity requirement. We are the try to influential for their fundamental nature and its comprehensive advantage for their resources and its gradually responsibility. We are the challenges। चाय पी? नहीं बाबा, हम चाय नहीं पियेंगे। देखो चाय लाएंगे, गर्मी में चाय पियेंगे। ये तो ऐसा ही टेम्परेचर में पूरा गर्मी से पूरे बॉडी में लग रहा है कि यार कोई हरियर मिर्चा पीस किया है, एकदम बॉडी में लपेट दिया है, पूरा इतना परपरा रहा है गर्मी से। चाय लाएंगे, नहीं पीना। इट इज़ द रिसिलियंट पार्ट। It is the resilient part of the approach and its association for the neutralization, which is the growing and its influential association. We have just tried to influence the association, it's growing for their different way and its balance for their scope efficiency. We have the fundamental and it's a consolidated structural. I think it will be happening in the way of the political scenario, way of the scope and its emancipation of the society, which is the comprehensive advantage way of the scope and its scope for the challenges which is happening, but the role of the efficiency and its gradually transformations, the balance for their scope and its influential part of the approach, which is the defining and its association. The navigation of the society, which is the inclusive advantage, the resources about different fundamental nature and its a way and its a resilient for the structural and its resources about their navigation and its inclusivity for their resilient structure. We have just tried to inculcate for their minds and its a balance for their regulatory and its advantage. The resilient and its association, the association and its a gradually transforms यार लग रहा है सही भी यार गर्मी से ना चक्कर जैसा आ रहा है ऐसा लगा था कि चक्कर आ जाए अब गिर जाए मैंने चक्कर आने के चक्कर में ही पूरा सिर घूम रहा है ये बोल रहे हैं ना उधर से इधर से पूरा गर्मी हो रहा है बट देखते हैं कहाँ कब तक रुकते हैं चक्कर आएगा तो वीडियो में आप लोग देखिए देख लिया लो पूरे वीडियो में which is the fundamental and nature and its a conclusion about the different role in its regulatory advantage for their finding for their growth efficiency. We are just try to influence in the procedures and its gradually responsibility, which is the conclusive advantage and its resources about the growing and its influential part of the approach, which is the growing and its dynamic institutionalization. It is a fundamental nature and its comprehensive advantage for their resources and its a growth for their resilient structure for their resource efficiency and its procedures about the growing and its resilient for their structural and its scope efficiency. How to dynamic institutionalization and its growing for their influential association for their different regardless of their prosperity. The institutionalization and its regardless for their prosperity for their association and its different regardless and its challenges for their hope efficiency. How to the different way and its balance for their अब इसके बीच में भूख लाग गई बाबी मैंने ए तरी देखा नु तो हम कोनो काम ना करेनी तो कुछ ना होला आ जब कुछ करे बैठ जानो साला पेशाब वही बड़ा लागी भूख वही बड़ा लागी आ गर्मी तो और ही लगबे करी लेकिन बैठ के हम रील्स देखे लगी ना 2 घंटा ना सिर में दर्द हुई ना चक्कर आई ना कुछ ना हुई गर्मी बराबर. It is the resilient part of the approach and it's growing for their influential association. How do the challenges for their effective and it's growing for their escalation of work and it's inclusivity for their foundations and it's growing for their resilient and its association for the different compartmentalization and how to fundamental and its nature for their conclusions about their working capacity and its neutralization. It is the fundamental nature and its a comprehensive advantage for their resource and its a gracefully responsibility. We are just try to influential for their different way and its balance for their capacity and its requirement. The way and its balance for their capacity and its requirement for their fundamental nature and its conclusive for their way and its efficiency for their gradually responsibility in finding for their different way and its scope for their challenges and it's all about their phenomena of the structural the prosperity for their institutionalization and it's a growing for their different resilient structure for their resources and it's a growth efficiency. नहीं अब लग रहा है कि तन ठीक है अब चक्कर नहीं आ रहा है. It is the finding for the growing and its influential association for their growing and its role and its regulatory advantage for their resilient and its part of the approach. How to the different navigation of the society which is the inclusivity and challenges for their capacity requirement. We are just influence for their structural and its resources about the growing and its association and its navigation of the society, the conclusive advantage and its fundamental natures for their authenticity, the desirable for the concept and its lateral efficiency, which is the fundamental nature of the desire and its association for their compartmentalization of the resources. It is the balance for their resources and its growth and its balance for their देखो बार बार इट्स आ रहा है और डिफरेंस आ रहा है ना इसको हटाएगा दिमाग से अगर ये नहीं हटलो ना तो समझ लो कि मेरा दिमाग और ख़राब होगा. It is the resilient structural and its resources about different fundamental and it's growing for their resilient part of the approach. but the core and its efficiency and its procedures about the different growth and its association for their navigation in society, how to the neutralization and its scope efficiency, which is happening in next chapter. Okay. Okay.